So I asked Claude to make me $1,000 in 30 days and the response blew my mind. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the prompts I use. If this is something you want to try out for yourself, stick around. These prompts build on each other, so you don't want to miss any part of the video. I'm Mfon Akpan, and on this channel, I share content on digital skills, AI, and digital product, basically showing you how you can get your own slice of the digital economy. If this is something you're interested in as an African woman, as a non-tech woman, okay, as my digital neighbor, you want to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of this content, and like this video so it can reach a wider audience. When you like my video, it shows the algorithm that this video is cool, let's push it out to more people. So like this video so it can reach a wider audience, and let me share with you the first prompt. So this is the first prompt we're going to be giving Claude. We're going to say, give me 2 ways I could make $1,000 in 30 days. Both must use skills I already have and not require an audience. Each must be sellable within 48 hours. Now we can send this prompt, but we're not going to be doing that. We're going to go ahead to tell Claude, ask me qualifying questions until you are 95% confident in your recommendation, and we're going to send. This forces Claude to stop giving generic ideas and actually diagnose your situation. So here we have our response. Let me ask you a few things before I give you anything. The first question, which of these feels most natural to you right now? Doing the work yourself or coordinating, directing others? Doing the work myself, coordinating others, both equally. So I'm going to say doing the work myself. For client-facing work, which format are you most comfortable selling right now? Number 1 is done-for-you services. You deliver the results. Number 2, consulting, strategy session, you advise. Number 3, workshop or training, you teach live. Number 4, written deliverables, that's SOPs, audit, doc, plan. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use done-for-you services. The next question Claude is asking me is, do you have any warm contacts, past clients, students, or business owners you know personally who are currently running businesses and spending money on marketing or operations? This is mind-blowing because I often teach my students that the way you get your first client is from your circle. And it's so amazing that Claude is asking me this question. So the first one is yes, severally. The second option is yes, 1 or 2. Number 3 is not really. Now, if you don't have it all, you can use not really. But for me, I'm going to use yes, severally. And then Claude is just going to go ahead and do its thing, saying, yeah, good. 2 more, and I have what I need. Have you seen the impact of the last sentence we just added? Like, it's profound. When you say done for you, which of these could you deliver at high standard right now without needing to learn anything new? So for the first one, we have write and send email sequence, set up email funnels, end-to-end, write sales or landing page copy, content strategy and writing, set up automations, that's on ManyChat. So I can literally tick all of them because I can do all of them without learning, but I'm just going to use 1 and 2 for the sake of this tutorial, okay? Next question, what's your honest capacity in the next 30 days? For this tutorial, I'm just going to use 4 to 7 hours. Option 1, email funnel setup. But that's also giving me what I'm selling, why this will work for me. Remember that this is coming because of the prompt we gave Claude to use the skills I already have. So this might look different for you, okay? Claude has also giving me my offer statement. I often say this a lot in my channel. This is my offer statement, my 1-sentence offer statement. How to close within 48 hours. So the next prompt, I'm going to choose my preferred option, which is option 1, and I'm going to tell Claude who is the most successful person I should learn from to make this happen. Limit it to 1 person. Now, why am I saying Claude should limit it to 1 person? Is because most of us will just get information here, get here. We are trying to achieve this goal in 30 days, and we don't have the time to be learning, to go around the learning circle of picking from this person. Okay, so we just need 1 person. Now, Claude is suggesting Nadia Osayan. I don't know who this person is. So I don't know who Nadia is. So my next prompt, just to make sure that Claude is giving me the right information, this person is a real person. It's not something Claude made up for me. I'm going to say, does Nadia exist? Can I find her online? Exists. I find her online. Don't suggest someone I can't verify. Okay, we're going to click on enter. Hi neighbor, I just want to let you know that you can now join the waitlist for the Digital Neighbor Academy. The link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Why should you join? So you get first-hand information on what's going on about the program. Also, you can get information about the discount, the bonuses that's going to be available for people in the wait list. I can't wait to see you inside. So let's head back to the video. I fabricated Nadia. Ooh, mind blown. She doesn't exist. That was a bad answer, and I should not have given you a name I couldn't verify. You see? You'll see what I'm talking about. So now Claude is suggesting Dylan. Okay? And Claude has also given me his website. We can go ahead to verify this, but I just wanted to show you that AI can hallucinate, and you want to make sure that the information you're getting from AI is verifiable, okay? I'm going to move on with my next prompt. I'm going to say, pretend you are Dylan, right? Create a 20-day plan that needs less than $1,000 upfront. The goal is to get my first paying client or customer as fast as possible. I'm not going to send the prompt. I'm going to add one more sentence. I'm going to say customer acquisition must start from day one, because as you've seen, AI can hallucinate and AI can make mistakes, okay? You want to make sure that customer acquisition is starting in day one, because working with 30 days, you want to make $1,000 in 30 days, AI can start suggesting things that will not bring clients in the first day. So you want to make sure that you add this last sentence, customer acquisition must start from day one, and we're going to click on send. Right here, Claude is saying, before I step into Dylan's shoes, one grounding assumption I'm making, your one contact are coaches or course creators, Nigerian or diaspora who sell something online and have an online list and have an email list they are underusing. If that's wrong, the outreach angles shift. But based on everything you've told me, that's who's in your network. So to really get the best answer from Claude, you want to make sure that from the first prompt, you answer those questions truthfully, you answer those questions in detail. You can even add more answers to the box if there are not options there for you to choose from. If someone has said, send me the details, I want to send the Google offer sheet I had built on day one, then Claude is advising me to then immediately follow up with a voice note. Like, I tell my students that there are so many ways you can send outreach messages here, and people are underusing voice notes. This is so mind-blowing. And Claude is even giving me a script here I can use, saying, so basically what I do is write and set up your welcome sequence from scratch. I handle the copy, the flow, the logic. I load it into blah, blah, blah platform. Let's say it's Flowdex. You literally don't touch anything. It goes live in 7 days. The investment is just $150,000. If you want to move forward, I just need a 50% deposit and access to your email platform, and we can start immediately. Claude is telling me why I should use voice notes. It's personal. It removes the formal proposal energy that creates hesitation. Remember that trust is really hard in this economy because of the use of AI. People just copy and dump. So you want to use a voice note. You want to make sure you incorporate voice notes in your outreach. Claude is also saying it sounds like a pair, not a vendor. Hi neighbor, so if you've watched to this point, I am so grateful for you. Now, I want to ask you for a favor. I need you to do something for me in the comment section, okay? I need you to drop a comment saying, hi neighbor, I am watching you from, you mentioned the country you're watching me from and something about the video. For example, hi neighbor, my name is Mfon Akpan. I am watching you from Nigeria. Thank you so much for this video. I have learned ABC. Or you can say something like, please make a video on XYZ. I can't wait to read your comments. This is super important to me, and I am so grateful for doing it in advance. And if you are yet to like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any content on the channel. If you've subscribed already or you thought you subscribed, can you confirm again? Thank you so much. So let's head back to the video. So the next thing Claude is asking us to do, or asking me to do, is to make sure I document my process as I go. I want to take a screenshot of every email before I send it. I want to ask for testimonial because this is super important. This is what I'm going to use to get my next client. Now, Claude is also breaking down the budget for me. Remember that I said that I want it to be below $1,000, right? This is actually going to be the cost for the client and not me, except I want to do this for myself. I use Flowdex personally, by the way, but the clients can use ConvertKit They are called kits now. It really doesn't matter the email marketing platform they use. You're not the one paying for it, okay? But this is something you're going to pay for. You need airtime. You need data for your outreach. You need Google Doc. That costs 0 naira. That costs $0. Your time as well. Other 50,000. Are you joking? $38. God just made a mistake again. So you don't want to take AI at face value. You want to verify all the information. Okay, Claude, do you know that I'm in Nigeria? $38 is not 50. Basically, if I'm removing the platform because I'm not the one paying for it, all I need to invest is 11,000 naira. I'm just going to say 11,000 naira because 11,000. Yeah, because data for a month is 11,000. Okay, if we're adding airtime to that, let's just call it 15,000 naira. So this is all you need to make this happen. Claude also went ahead in showing me what failure looks like so I can avoid it. This is mind-blowing. I don't know if your mind is blown yet. The trap, preparation, procrastination, this is what a lot of us do. We spend time on websites. We spend time on logo. We spend time on optimizing our LinkedIn profile. Pitching too early. This is another mistake Claude is telling me to avoid. Ghosting after interest. I should never ghost a client after interest. Over-delivering on scope. Don't do it. You might think you are doing a good thing, but don't do it. Waiting for a no. Assuming silent means no. Silent does not mean no. Silent means they forgot. So you want to follow up, okay? So those are the 3 prompts you need to ask Claude. If you need my prompts library, I'm going to leave the documents in the description in the pinned comment. It's free. Go ahead, you're going to find all of these prompts there and even more prompts that you can use for different situations, okay? It's free. And if you like this video, you are definitely going to love this one.